Join us for a speedy tutorial on scheduling and organizing your Facebook page and group posts. And don't forget to catch our bonus tip for creating an interactive story poll at the end of this video. So let's get started. First of all, keep in mind that Facebook only allows scheduled posts for your pages and groups. So if you're on the desktop, visit the Meta Business Suite website and navigate to your desired page or group. From there, click on the Planner tab from the left menu. In the Planner, find the day you want to schedule the post for, and click the Schedule drop-down. Select Schedule Post from the options that appear, and choose your desired date and time. Click on the Save button. After that, you can fill in all the necessary details and customize your post content. Once you're ready, simply click Schedule Post to finalize your scheduled content. If you wish to edit it, simply go back to the Meta Business Suite website, access your page or group, and click on the Planner tab to see your scheduled posts. Find the post, click the three-dot icon next to it, and select Edit Post. Make your desired changes and click Save to update the scheduled content. For mobile users, the process is equally straightforward. Download the Meta Business Suite app if you don't have it yet, and launch it on your mobile. Tap on Tools, and then Planner. Choose the day you wish to schedule the post and press Tap to create. Select Post and proceed to fill in the required information. Tap Next and then Schedule to set the date and time for your post. To edit your post, navigate back to Tools and Planner, and tap the three-dot button next to the targeted post. Choose Edit Post or Reschedule Post if you prefer to change the schedule. Now, let's explore scheduling posts within a Facebook group. If you're an administrator or moderator of a group, you can schedule posts without using the Meta Business Suite. On your desktop, open your group page and click on the Write Something button. Create your post and click the calendar-shaped Schedule Post button next to Post, select the desired date and time, then click Schedule to finalize. On mobile, open the Facebook app, go to your group page, tap on Write Something to start your post, and then press Schedule. Toggle the Schedule Post slider, and choose the date and time, then create your post, and finally, tap Schedule. To manage your scheduled group posts, navigate to your Facebook group page, access the Admin Tools section, and then click on Scheduled Posts. From there, you can make necessary adjustments by selecting the three-dot button next to the post and choosing your preferred action. So, there you have it. And to thank you for staying with us until the end, here is a bonus tip on creating a story poll. To begin, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and tap Create Story from the reel of stories up top. Add an image or take a picture as the backdrop for your poll. Next, during the editing process, tap Stickers and choose the Poll option. Customize the question and answer choices to fit your poll's theme. Once you're satisfied, hit Done and share your creative poll with your friends and followers. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, visit our full playlist of tutorials about Spotify.